Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a pack up and I've got 7,000 credits and we're going to buy an elite pack. So we're going to just get straight on. No way! Roman Reigns elite! Oh, I'm Paul Heyman, elite manager. Elite toughness. Woo woo woo. It's like right at WrestleMania. Oh, the Bray Wyatt at SummerSlam. Oh, that was a sick pack. I can't believe the Roman Reigns. What can we get? For a bit of fun, we're going to buy one of these. Cool. 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 The season 1 card. The season 2, but season 1 cards. Oh. 6 or 5 credits left. Let's buy them. Payment successful. Buy another 600. I have no idea what we're buying with this one. We're just going to keep him there. So thanks for watching, guys, and a third elite. So thanks for watching, obviously. As I think I just said, I think I've been a bit quiet. My third elite is Roman Reigns. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.